How's it, guys? Welcome. I just wanted to give you an update on the 72 Les Paul that we're putting a Bigsby onto and some other pickups and locking tuners. We haven't forgotten about this guitar. It's just that with the COVID-19 restrictions we can't get any parts. So I just assembled the whole thing just to get all the screws and bits and pieces together. Just made sure that it was in a playing state. So the body's been done. The neck still needs to be, I still need to fill the holes, but we're just waiting for the tuners so we can see exactly where that's going to go. And I just put some pickups in and just assembled it all. And this also gave me an opportunity to test the refret, which is working great. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll be finishing this one soon. And thanks, we'll see you shortly.